Let's prepare one PoE security camera, one PoE injector, and one Cat5e or Cat6 network cable. Before connecting, we need to know PoE has its own protocol standard, that is IEEE 802.3 AF/ATBT standard. When our security camera supports 802.3 AF standard, it can work with an 802.3 AF standard PoE injector. Also works with 802.3 T and BT standard PoE injector. All PoE protocol standards are backward compatible. Now, let's connect PoE injector's power cord. Then connect the network cable to the LAN port. Connect the PoE port to the camera interface with another cable. OK, camera infrared lights on. Power indicators turn green. Let's check the monitor screen. Doing good.